Hello student, today I'm gonna teach you the word that is used to, which we use a lot in our daily basis. So that used to word we usually use for our past habit. Okay, so it defends our past habit which we like in our past, but we don't use the similar things like in our current life. Okay, for instance, I used to go to school. That means my school has finished and now I go to my college. I used to like chocolate. That means I liked chocolate in my past, but nowadays or in recent time, I don't like chocolates. So for all our past habits, we have to use that used to word. Okay. But when it's come to the negative part of used to, so here we have to use did not use. For instance, I did not used to like chocolate. That means I did not like chocolate in my past life, but now I usually eat chocolates. Now I like chocolates. Okay. But here the structure and the formation of negative sentence and the interrogative sentence also. We have to change the concept. As in affirmative, in simple one, we have to say that I used to like chocolate. So here we use used to word. Okay. But when it's come to the negative and the interrogative one, so we have to use I did not used to. Here we have to use first form of used to because that is a rule of English. We cannot use two verbs second form together in one sentence. So the structure would be I did not used to eat chocolates or did you used to eat chocolate? Thank you.